What are some red flags you should pay attention to when you're looking at a home? Some of the things that you really need to watch for, and they don't mean that you shouldn't buy, it's just that you should be prepared for them. If there are cracks in the basement walls, make sure that you have the appropriate people figuring out what they are. Often, they're not that serious, but sometimes they can be very serious and extremely expensive. What's the roof look like? Does it need to be replaced right now? Or do you have some years to be able to come up with that? What is the exterior like? Are there big problems with it to where you're going to need to do some expensive major repairs? So the red flags that you need to pay attention to are significant larger dollar items to repair. If there are some plugs that don't have GFI protection, or maybe aren't grounded properly, those are fairly minor and easy things for you to correct, and not necessarily something to disrail or affect your buy. But make sure to pay attention to those large dollar items that you see and get counseling from either your agent or your home inspector on how they might affect the value and what the cost may be to correct them.